Hello everyone, it's Worka time. Today's video brings you non-stop action from job sites around the world. Machines, workers, tools, it's all here. Press play. First, let me introduce you to this tree stump destroyer, which is so powerful that it can tear apart anything that is deeply rooted in the ground in just a few seconds. With its sharp and precise cuts, it turns huge tree stumps into tiny pieces. It is truly a spectacular display of power and speed that will leave anyone in awe. No more lifting heavy bales of hay by hand. This device does the job quickly, making farm work easier and more efficient. The automatic potting line for bonsai operates smoothly and easily handles a variety of pot sizes from 9 to 17 centimeters. This smart system optimizes the entire planting process, from soil leveling, pot placement to sowing seedlings. This saves users a significant amount of time and labor costs. This is the ideal solution for modern gardeners. John Deere machines with ditch and gully cleaning attachments are an effective solution for maintaining smooth flow in agricultural fields and landscapes. They remove mud, weeds, and other obstructions, ensuring water does not stagnate or overflow. This significantly reduces the risk of flooding and soil erosion. Meet the DeeperFox SC850 Pro, a stump-destroying powerhouse with incredible grinding speed. It turns stumps into mulch on the spot without disturbing the surrounding soil. Perfect for forestry clearing, land prep, and site work that demands precision and efficiency. This beast is the Nexar, an all-in-one seed-to-harvest machine. With a cutting width of 15.2 m, it glides across the field like a skilled hand, delivering outstanding performance. When the hopper is full, the grain is quickly transferred to a truck, ready for the next crop. The smart shaking system causes only the ripe apples to fall softly. It leaves the tree clean and the harvest perfectly optimized. If you are watching this video on television, please pick up your phone and hit the subscribe button. It only takes a few seconds, but will help you not miss the next interesting videos. Before us is a machine that can uproot a large tree and its entire root ball in just a few minutes. With a closed digging blade that hugs the base of the tree, it gently lifts the whole tree without damaging the root system. From clearing brush to pruning trees and more, the LockRiper X12 is built to handle any forestry challenge with ease. You are looking at the BTry Reaper, a strong contender in breaking up tough trails with a working depth of up to 70 centimeters. Sharp ripper teeth and flexible adjustment capabilities help the machine effectively handle a variety of tasks from agriculture to road construction. The skill and meticulousness of the artisans make each bracelet a work of art. Seeing the way they work as a living chain, we can see the value of teamwork in the construction industry. Not only a spice, cinnamon is also a medicinal herb that supports the treatment of chronic diseases such as arthritis, low blood pressure, and digestive disorders. Every step of making tea requires care and respect, like a meditation ritual amidst the hustle and bustle of life. This is not just a skill, but the result of thousands of hours of hard work in the field. Think for a second. When was the last time you cleaned your roof? This machine was born to serve those who are tired of peeling quail eggs by hand. If this isn't the biggest pumpkin you've ever seen, let us know below. I like eating watermelon this way. Much better than cutting it into pieces. What about you? The joy was evident on their faces, proving that work can be fun if you bring passion with it. Watching this machine work looks like it's taking all its anger out on the ground. Welcome to the birthplace of nails. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Good luck and success to you. Say goodbye to backaches and tired legs when you have to carry things upstairs. This amazing tool will help you do it with ease. Whether the soil is hard or soft, this device can handle it easily to prepare it for planting. To create a premium cup of tea, every step from harvesting to drying must be done meticulously and precisely. Railway maintenance used to be very physical. Now machines have replaced humans with the most difficult work. I really feel satisfied every time I see the neatness this machine produces. Girls like these are proving that in construction, talent knows no gender. With modern design, this floor screed machine helps concrete surface become smooth and beautiful in a short time. Be patient and watch this moment till the end. I bet you will want to give these skillful hands a life. Craftsmen have always understood that attention to detail is the key to product quality. It's impressive how he can cut the stones so evenly without the need for modern machinery.
I hope these moments have helped you relax after a long day at work. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.